What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Twinkie coming at you with another moto vlog. Today I'm with Ryan, Dakota. Howdy, howdy. We're going to meet up with Dakota's parents, and then after that we're going somewhere else. Howdy, 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 howdy. So last night was a pretty crazy night. Did a little fishing, didn't really catch anything, and they weren't really biting. Then the alcohol came out, and I gotta say, Mad Dog's kiwi strawberry drink is freaking awesome. I like it a lot. Ew. There's a dead bug on my forehead. Hey! Howdy, howdy. Woo! Baby's moving! First time waiting for a train on the bike. Oh, that's it? That's it? That was so short. That was so cheap. He liked what he saw. Cece's Pizza. Oh. It's a windrower, but it doesn't seem to be doing too good of a job rowing. Wow. Cows. Wide load. Hey, there's another wide load. Howdy, howdy. There's a lot of people out on their bikes today. Gee, I wonder why. Well, we met up with Dakota's parents. They're leading us up to a place called Out Bike Barn. I haven't been there yet, but we'll see. Damn construction. Oh snap. Wow, they're redoing this whole intersection. This road is rough. Ooh, look at that. You tell it, hey, walk ahead. I got an email. Minersville, Pennsylvania. been a little while since I've been up here in Minersville. Back when I was doing on the road repairs for floor scrubbers and buffers. 901 Club. Look, the airplane crashed in there, so they built around it. Oh, here's a big group. Howdy, 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 howdy to everybody. For those of you that have been following the videos, this area should be familiar. We are in Centralia on Route 61, and that is the graffiti highway. I just want to pop right back up in there. Slippery winter conditions. Oh God, we better be careful. I feel like really weird right now, but it's kind of working because my butt's really sore, but I got my feet on the rear foot pegs, so I'm like all the way front. Yeah, it feels a little weird, but it's actually a little bit soothing on my sore butt. Oh man, look at that. That's nice. Howdy, howdy. Howdy, howdy. Alrighty. We got our McDonald's on. Some people need to tap Mac. We tap Mac. Dakota's parents got some oil for their bike, and now we're heading to Al's Bike Barn. Bill's old bike barn. good visit to Bill's old bike barn. Definitely recommend visiting that. $5 entry, cash only, for anybody that wants to come up and see it but don't know. But I'll tell you what, it's worth a lot more than $5. That's for sure. Hope you guys liked the little slideshow I put together. I do not take ownership of anything in the pictures, just the pictures themselves. Holy crap. Somebody messed that stuff up.
Are we still rolling?
No.
Oh.
When did that car pull up behind me?
He pulled up a while ago.
Oh.
We're not rolling?
I
was gonna do a dance.
Yeah.
Are we?
Our leader had a bit of technical difficulties with the GPS and his audio on his bike, so we had to stop. Ooh, that was a nice cool breeze. Hey, cutie. Y'all coming back from the car show up at the dragway. Up there's the Leepiya dragway, and all these cars are coming out from there. Woo! Damn! Wow, look at that fancy truck. Life flight. Oh snap! That's a Medevac launch center. That's awesome. Hi. My butt hurts. Oh, that was close. I need gas. I'm on E right now. Whisper down the alley. I'm like on E. I've never been this low. It's kind of scary. Very nice of that person. Very nice. Whoa! Snap! Somebody hit that pole. Damn. They're working late on a Saturday. Ouch. Feel bad for them. Feels really nice. Ryan's bike sounds pretty nasty with them with that new exhaust on there. Uh-oh. I gotta sneeze. Okay, the feeling went away. Ooh, I think that's the milking house. All the cows are getting milked today. put my ass on the back seat, put my feet on the rear pegs, and if I can come back down on the front seat with my legs all the way back up. And it takes the pressure off my ass and it moves it forward. But because my thighs are so big, I don't have to worry about crushing my nuts. Well, it's 6:15 and I am headed home after a very interesting day riding. It was good to meet Dakota's parents, and we had a pretty awesome time going through Bill's old bike barn. That was pretty awesome. And yeah, I got a lot of video to edit. Like a lot. Howdy, howdy. I'm pretty tired. Howdy, howdy. My butt hurts. I'm trying to figure out what I want for dinner tonight. I'm thinking I could go for some Chinese, but I don't know what I want. So that pretty much sums up today's adventure. If you liked what you saw, don't forget to leave a like, comment if you want, and be sure to hit that bell icon notification button so you can be notified when the next video comes out.